Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today we are in our garden and we are about to pick some herbs. That is called parsley and that is called mint. Are you picking, is that lemon balm?
No, this is more mint. This is spearmint and this is mint.
Okay, we have two types of mint.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh!
You knew that?
What did you say?
You've been paying attention?
You said mint and spearmint, so that's two types of mints.
Yeah,
And I guess that's more mint, or that's lemon balm.
No, this is lemon balm.
That's lemon balm. It smells so good. The mint tastes so good. Sometimes we come out here and we pick one and eat it. It tastes so good. Mommy, it makes your breath smell like mint. Oh,
We're gonna put this in our juices.
yep, we're gonna put all of that in our juice. That's, if y'all can smell it, you can smell it right now.
Okay, turn it on.
So if you like this video, say you like this video.
10,000 on your right hand, but it will not come deep. Oh no, it won't come deep. 1,000 may fall at your side. 10,000 on your right hand, but it will not come deep. There's so many rivals. I've been sleeping by your rifle, trusting in these idols instead of in a Bible. So many want the title, but you know what it comes with. Yeah, the ones that you want. You know the ones in your circumference. You know they got it out for you. Yeah, they wanna steal your life. Jealous because of the calling you have on your life.
Is it good?
They don't know the sacrifice. Or how many nights you cried when they left you for dead. Now they mad that you didn't die. Oh Lord, I got.
Wait, don't throw this away. Don't throw away all that good stuff. Make some banana bread. I did, and I used flaxseed gel for eggs. And so you have some pulp banana bread muffin things. Very good. Voila.